Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials. iPhone 15 on the latest iOS, Apple ID signed in with two-factor authentication, and reliable Wi-Fi. Open settings and check software update. Install any pending updates. Once done, go to Settings Siri and search to enable Siri if off, because Apple Intelligence builds on system services. Make sure background app refresh is allowed and location services are enabled for relevant apps. These let the intelligence access context it needs to function accurately. Now you enable Apple Intelligence itself. Open Settings Apple Intelligence and turn it on. You'll be prompted to grant access to photos, contacts, notifications, and microphone. Accept the permissions that match your comfort level so the feature can learn context and deliver smart suggestions. Once done, customize preferences like writing style and which apps can use intelligence-driven suggestions. Make sure to review app integrations individually. Selective permission improves privacy while keeping capability where you need it most. Finish by testing Apple Intelligence. Ask for a summary in mail, a draft in messages, or a caption in photos to confirm behavior. If features don't appear immediately, restart the iPhone and wait 2 to 3 minutes after boot for background indexing to complete. Once done, retest. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID, ensure all updates installed, and verify permissions again. One troubleshooting tip: revoke and regrant the specific photos or microphone permission to trigger reindexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.